Today's video, I will be making Italian chicken off the grid. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, press the like button, share, and make sure to leave a comment in the comment section below. It helps the numbers. Let's get started. You will need wishbone Italian dressing. I don't have any sponsors for products I mention or use. Garlic, 2 cloves out minced, chicken cutlets, and cornflake crumbs. On to the recipe. Before we get started with the off-the-grid unit, you have to know what setup we're going to use. You got to have a 9x13 cake pan, a miniature cookie sheet that you flip upside down so you can put the tea light candles on it. Make sure the wicks are standing up. Then you're going to have a cooling rack that you put on top of it after you light the candles. I'll light the candles a little bit later. And you're going to need an 8-inch fry pan with a lid. That's a setup for all my units. Now we get busy with the cooking. First thing I did was I sent the garlic through a garlic press. Now we're going to add the Italian dressing. Mix it all up so it's evenly mixed. Since I'm only going to do 2 of them, I'm adding 2 cutlets. Make sure the marinade gets on all of them. Now let it marinate for at least an hour. If you have a very sharp knife, you can turn your chicken breast into cutlets. All you have to do is slice it thin. Once the chicken is done marinating, you're going to set up the dredging station. All we're going to be doing is coating it with the cornflake crumbs. If you don't lose your power, you can actually do the same thing with regular chicken breasts or any pieces of chicken that you like and bake this in an oven. So you're getting 2 recipes instead of 1. You can actually do this in an oven if you don't lose your power. But if you do lose your power, you can do it by cooking it with candles. See, it's easy to do. You just coat the whole thing with the cracker crumbs. I add garlic to it. The original recipe didn't call for any garlic. I'm pretty sure Wishbone made the original recipe. And I'll give him credit for it, since that's where I actually got it from. Let the pan preheat for a couple minutes. Putting a little butter in the pan to melt. Butter is melting nicely. Put your chicken in the pan. And you can hear it frying. I will be letting it go for at least 5 minutes on each side. I cook it with the lid on because it helps it steam too. It's been 5 minutes, now we're going to check on it. And I'll flip it over. And you can tell it's been cooking. Cook it about another 7 minutes on the other side. When I do take it off, I'm going to slice it to see if it's cooked all the way through. Now I'll take it off and put it over here. And we're going to check it to see if it is cooked all the way through. And you can see it's cooked all the way through. Do the same thing with the second one. This is what it looks like when it's all done. Thank you for watching.